Hi, and welcome to this short demo video of the Txture platform. In this video, we're going to show you how the platform works and how it can help you speed up your cloud transformation and modernization projects. But first, what is Txture? Txture is a central software platform that assists you in your cloud transformation and modernization initiatives. Whether you are moving to the cloud or modernizing your current cloud estate, you probably face a few challenges. You have a lot of applications in your existing IT portfolio and you find it hard to define which applications should be modernized as a priority. You have difficulty forecasting what your future cloud architecture will look like and what the overall costs or the CO2 footprint will be. And with so many options in the cloud provider catalogs, finding the best suited cloud services is not that simple. With the Txture platform, you can collect information about your existing applications and develop a complete overview of your current IT estate. You can identify applications that should be modernized in priority and define the best migration strategy based on the 6R framework. And finally, you find the best replacement alternatives in the cloud thanks to the unique cloud knowledge base of Txture. This brings speed and confidence at every stage of your cloud transformation journey and helps you to reduce transformation costs. Now, let's have a look at how the platform works. When dealing with application modernization, the first step is to have a good understanding of your current applications and the dependencies between assets. This is generally a challenge as the information you need is often scattered among different data silos. The platform helps you streamline this data collection process. There, you will find a wide variety of importers that will help you ingest information from many different sources. As you can see, this includes generic sources such as Excel, but also VMware environments or data from discovery solutions. When data is missing or incomplete, you can use the survey functionality to reach out to the knowledgeable people in your organization and collect the missing information faster. All the data you collect is directly compiled into a central repository. This repository is a central cockpit for your transformation initiatives where you have an up-to-date overview over your current application portfolio. You also receive recommendations of the platform for modernization opportunities. You can have a look at the entire application portfolio or click on a specific application to get more details. You also have insights into the data completeness for each application. This way, you immediately know where information is missing. The next step is the application assessment phase. It is often a challenge to assess applications holistically, not only from a technical perspective, but also from a business and compliance standpoint. In Txture, you can perform this assessment using a set of configurable rules that reflect your technical requirements, but also the business, security, and compliance aspects. These rules can be activated or deactivated depending on the needs of your organization. Based on the information you collected and the assessment preferences you defined, the platform will provide you with a series of personalized recommendations for each application. A cloud readiness score that reflects the expected migration effort and feasibility. A cloud benefit score that defines whether the migration of the application will bring a specific value to your business. Again, this score depends on your specific goals and the rules that you previously determined. The migration risk score highlights any risks of migrating a specific application. This could be related, for instance, to your organization's specific regulatory requirements. Finally, a migration approach is recommended based on the 6R framework. These metrics help you define which applications should be migrated as a priority, and it becomes easier to plan your migration roadmap. Let's now have a look at the cloud architecture recommendations provided by Txture. For each application, and based on the preferences you defined earlier, Txture provides you with several options for migrating your application to the cloud. Each cloud architecture option comes with detailed information about the cloud services included, the pricing options, the carbon footprint of the architecture, and much more. All the information comes from Txture's cloud knowledge base, which maintains up-to-date information on more than 200,000 cloud services from the main cloud providers. Collecting information about different cloud services is often time-consuming. With Txture, the information is already there. All you have to do is compare the different options and select the one that best suits your needs. With Txture, mapping your current IT estate and finding the best suited modernization options becomes much easier, and with the cloud insights provided by the platform, you can make informed decisions all along your journey to the cloud. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@txture.io, and we'll be happy to answer all your questions.